How to change username on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change username on Twitter. So let's get started. Simply open up your twitter.com and then you'll have to click right here to open up your profile. So this is our profile right here and we have all of these different options given. I'm gonna click on more, and in more, after that you have to go to settings and privacy. After that, we have our settings. So in settings, we have to select your account. There are other options as well, but you're going to select your account and then you're going to go to account information. So here you just have to enter your password. So it will open up your account information for you, and we have username. So I'm going to click right here. Now this is my username right here and I can just change it however I like it. So I can just, type in a new username. All right, it's available. So now I'm just gonna click on save and my username will be changed on Twitter. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.